the question that we've been asked is, let's say I am in a matter and I try to reprint an invoice, right? And if there's an outstanding balance, what uLaw would do is it would basically, if you're subscribed to one of the payment, you would actually put the payment request at the end. It'll say like, hey, click here, and then it'll take you directly to the payment page so that your client can pay for it. Now, what we have done is in settings under matter, we've given you an option not to put that URL in the invoice. So if you just say no and hit the save button, and you come back to the matter and you print the exact same invoice, now you will see that that URL will not be there. So what we're offering is basically a method by which if you want the payment to be there so that the client can actually pay directly, we allow that. And if you don't want it, you can go to the settings and just control whether you want that URL or not. This URL will only come if you actually go to the account and you set up, what kind of payment you have. Obviously, we support Monaris, TD, Global. We also support Pivotal or Newey. So we support several of them. So when you do that in your invoice, as you see now, you have a choice. You can either have it, where the person can actually go and pay, or using settings, you can actually disable it.